Hey guys, so today I got a lightning to USB cable 1 meter. This is an official Apple cables. Here's the price that I got. I got it from my Apple reseller, which I could find. So you can see it's still sealed. And you can see I bought on December 11, 2019, and right now was January 1st. For like almost a month I keep it. So let's unbox it. Going to be silent and probably right now. You can see this moment I've been waiting for because I'm busy and since I'm free right now I could film this video. So let's unbox it. Okay, so here's the cable. It doesn't have the thing, so it came out on this side. Anywhere else? So there's two pieces of paper. So both of them are in this side. So the certification and comprehensions, FCC, whatever stuff. So it says English, like Mandarin, Canada stuff. So English, Japanese, Korean, Mandarin, more Korean, Mandarin, and Malay language. So I'm going to keep these because I can get replacement if maybe I could get replacement if I broke it, since my own is starting to break after almost more than a year. So just bought another one, and actually I ran out of cable, so I'm thinking about unboxing right now. I'm wondering, can I even use like this? So you can see like it looks like really damn mint condition, like no one even use it. Like I don't know what's going on right here, but here's my old one from the iPhone 6. You can see like after use probably like a few months, you can see right here the color looks like washed out for some reason. There's a lighting because I keep plugging out sometimes to the wall, sometimes to my computer, sometimes to my battery pack. And if you see the tip right here, you can see I can tell the cable looks like the new one looks a bit like moved than this one for some reason, but the thickness looks the same. Probably nothing changed except mine look like quite used. You can see like there's one pin gone for some reason. I don't know why. Let's take a see on this one. Yeah. By the way, this one used plastic seal and this one used paper. So let's listen to the sound. Alrighty, so actually I'm keeping this because why not, in case for like another few more years and it's starting to get rare, so why not keeping those, and this one too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the videos and peace.